rain jacket got wet. Everything got wet. Oh well. Hey, I'm leaving you. You'll be a castaway. You'll be marooned. Marooned on an island. Hey, come here. Louie, come here. Louie, he's a good boy. All right. How did water get in there? Rut rope. Some stuff is getting wet. Hey, he's eating my steering wheel. So today, decided me and him are gonna go out for a little boat ride, go find a little island, and do some kind of camping in the rain. It's supposed to rain and thunderstorm all night, and we're just gonna do a little bit of a challenge here. And he's probably gonna eat my anchor line or jump off the boat. He could do either. You never know. This is where we're going to camp tonight. It's an island. We're going to camp on an island tonight. It's going to be pretty cool. It's supposed to be a thunderstorm tonight, but I'm surprised it's not raining right now, to be honest. It was raining the entire time we were getting everything ready, and little guy's all tuckered out. See, I'm tired. Anyways, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna get out there, hopefully get a fire started before the rain starts, and have a good time. We're gonna make a little bit of food, and hopefully I'm on the right side of the island. I can see right now the wind is coming from that direction, so I'm hoping if I just cram myself up in this little tiny cove here on the island, I should be able to get, you know, enough coverage. We'll get you out of this jacket. I know. But your rain jacket wasn't worth a damn. That thing didn't hold any resistance to water. Okay, here we go. Come on, Louie. Hey! Looks like a good spot. What do you think? Okay. Alright, we gotta get set up.
Hey, get off the tent. Get off the tent!
What the hell is under the tent? Show what I got here. This is a Sea to Summit sleeping thing. I got some propane, which really you probably shouldn't put in your tent, but I need everything to stay as dry as possible, and it's still kind of wet under here. Please quit licking the birch bark. I got 2 sleeping bags, and I got my chair. And my pillow. I got this on Amazon. Was that really not filming that whole time? Okay. Well, as you can see, there's a fire over there. I just did this routine and somehow forgot to turn the camera on. So I am gonna try again and do it over here just so I can show you guys how to start a fire with some birch bark. Because I worked hard on that and it was perfect. Everything went the best that I've ever had it go. And the camera was not rolling. But it is what it is. I got some firewood earlier and the film messed up, so I'm gonna make some small sticks that I can use as a base. For my fire. Having a puppy, he will grab everything. Grab whatever you're chopping. He will get in the way of the knife. He will steal your birch bark and get slobber on it. As you can see. If I can just keep it off of the wet earth, I should be okay. That's going to be the base. I really just want to get some of these. This is a little too big. Perfect. Hey buddy, I love you. Okay, so I got some of this. Take your birch bark. I got some big pieces of birch bark here. You really just want to get in there Get some of that papery material in there, like that. Scrape it up, make some dust. Okay, just like that. Save that piece if I need it. Rip some of these little slivers off. That dust over there. And as you can see, you can just rip the little slivers off of it. Like that. Little papers, fibrous materials. That's what you're gonna need. Okay. So have the base. Right there. Get the dog preoccupied with something else. Here, take this. What is that? What is that? Give me that. There you go. And obviously, turn the fire starter. So use this. Get in there. Real good. Make sure it's dry. Keep this dry. Don't be chopping wood and let this get wet. Let the dog grab it. Get that stuff just like that. Some of that. Point this right down in the center. Boom. Just like that. And take some of these. Get them in there and get them rolling. Yeah, big time. That is what we're looking for. Now we want some more of this. Just like that. Some of these little fibrous sticks in there. Yep, just like that. Right on the base of your fire. Yep. Don't choke your fire out, because it will go out. Not out of the woods yet. Really need some more small sticks. I didn't chop enough because I used... Man, it is raining a lot. I just dumped big time. What I'm going to do is actually pick this up and place it on my other fire. I have to do this twice. Okay. Now. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. Alright. Over here. Come behind me. Come behind me. You want to cheese it? I know I'm probably not supposed to, but right here. Just do that for you. That's a good boy. He's a good boy. Go away, White Rabbit. Hey. He really is my favorite dog I've ever had. There's a once-in-a-lifetime dog, and it's him. I had a dog named Dusty who was great. He was blind. He could see a little bit, but he was pretty much blind. Great dog. But he was not as smart as this dog. Louis is the smartest dog I've ever had. He is very intelligent. He's really a pain in the butt sometimes. He really can be. But man, is he brave and confident. He's a great dog. I know you want some more cheeses, but you can't have it. Just kidding. There you go. Take the beef, put it in some oil. Well, I would not buy the MSR pot thing. Just doesn't work that well. I guess I'm done with that for the minute. Anyways, take your pot, stick it on there, put a little bit of flour, a little bit of oil on the beef, start cutting up your potatoes. like to chop their garlic up a little more fine than I do. The dog is not going to eat this. Just make his stomach hurt. But I may give him a piece of the beef. Yeah, I probably should bring a different knife. This knife is a little overkill for this kind of thing. It's great for chopping through the wood, but I'm gonna add a little bit of muddy. I am Italian, not from Italy, but I'm Italian, and I don't know what the hell that says. Moody tomato paste, good stuff. Add a little bit of that in there. A little bit of this stuff. This is better than bouillon. I'm just going to use a stick because I don't want to get my knife is already dirty. A little bit of that, slap that down in there. You're allowed to camp on these islands, but there's nobody out here. I'm not bothering anyone. Ooh, that is very hot. Ah!
Is it cold?
Not really.
No? Good.
It would probably be good for me to turn the microphone on. I'm still getting used to this, so. Anyways. Louis. We survived, huh? Are you ready for bed? He's like, yeah, I'm gonna sleep. That's where my head's gonna go. Alrighty then. Guess I've got a pillow for tonight. Wow, it is really foggy out. You can't even see the water. This is pretty spooky. Wow. Well, still pretty nasty. Still pretty wet. Everything's pretty wet. But at least under here stays dry enough. The earth got it pretty wet, but it's dry enough to start a fire. I'm gonna have to chop some wood, but for now, let's make some coffee. Man, look at that fog, though. You can't see anything. Wait. A little too much, but hey, we're camping. Wait. Okay. Hey, it's that. Get back. Back. Okay, how does this thing work? Take this off. Take this off. Ooh. Use that to help start this fire. I don't know, maybe not. I imagine put the coffee in first, and then you push it down. So let's just boil some water. That down right there. He's a good boy. And I want some strong coffee, so I don't know how much that was. Yeah, oops, just melted that bag. I need to put this in that trash bag. Man, I love this MSR stuff because it's so compact, but that's the hardest thing to get off. And the pot, the handle broke off last night. I don't know if that was user error or what. Birch bark, you want this stuff. It's papery, fibrous material. And you just take the bark and you just rip it off just like that. And I'm just gonna scrape it. Scratch it up like that. This thing is awesome. Ow, you bit me on the bottom. He bit me on the bottom.